In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Bybit. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Bybit app on your device and sign in to your Bybit account. Now go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen and this will take you to your profile page. At the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon and this will take you to your profile page. Now on your profile page, you'll be able to find the invite friends button. So just go ahead and click on the invite friends button. You'll find this between the security and sub account button. So in here, just go ahead and click on the invite button beside each of this section to be able to invite your friends on Bybit and select the commission that you want to get from this invite. So as you can see in here, you can get up to 1025 USDT and 30% commission for inviting new friends on Bybit. So you can share your invite through different social media platforms by copying the link and saving the poster for your invite. And that's how you can simply invite a friend on Bybit. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.